please subscribe to the eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
The front door, you've got to take a card out with you. I know there's other places to go for breakfast, but I'm going to Terminal 21 because it was delicious yesterday. So I came along here. Quite busy. The girls were very boisterous. Bought myself a Leo, 140. I bought her a lady drink, it was 220. Well, this is the hotel I'm staying, the drop-in. It's alright. Slept well last night. So there it is. Sorry. Right, so I'm here at Nana. I have got to go to Siam, then change to Saladeng. First came to Pat Pong in 1989 and we spent about 10 days. Brought me bananas then. So this is still on slide 4. Yeah, King's Castle. Where the hell, it's gone. Finished. We came on here because there was a sign here and we walked maybe this far. Obviously it was at night time, there was stalls selling all sorts of stuff, and we walked up there. I've took the advice of a few of my subscribers and gone for the water.
Yeah, same.
Just there?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, take a letter.
Yeah. Tini!
นี่วะ
จะไม่คุณไม่รู้
ไม่ได้อยู่แถวนี้
ไม่เป็นไร Right, according to my old Google Maps, it's a 12-minute walk. It's riveting stuff, isn't it? Where am I going? Mai. Eka Mai. Mai. Hey. Thank you. It's a little bit sweet, but it's like maybe like a bamboo. I've never tasted that before in my life. So as you can see, there's quite a few people sitting here already. It's only just after 10:30. So this lady has got level number 4.
Number 4. I'm spicy lover.
So loud! It's louder than Old Trafford. The yellow bike tour. These are only old Owen, it's got a little bit of adventure. Yeah? I've got the best view on the boat. And you know Erling Haaland?
I like Thailand.
Haaland, number 1, yeah.
Thailand number 1.
He scored many goals. Come on. And yeah, we had a good chat. So that's it really. Just wanted to meet him, we've met up and it's been alright. Happy. Sad. ทำอะไรครับ
จัดดอกไม้
อะไร
จัดดอกไม้
จะพูดอะไร
เนี่ยสีเหลือง
เหลือง
เอาปวดอะไรให้เขาปวด
โทษครับคุณช่วยผมครับโทษทหาร
ฮะทอทหาร
สระอา
ใช่
น้องหนู
งองูเป็นเด็กเลย
free t-shirt. You won't get it free, you'll have to pay for it.
ให้บนไม่รีวิวไงต้องเข้าใจว่า